Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to see TNPSC Group 1 Prelims exam question paper for the year 2017. This is part 4 video with 50 question and answers. Please check our previous videos for part 1, 2 and 3. First question. The ratio of boys and girls in the class 4:5. If the number of boys is 24, find the number of girls. Answer is option D, 30. Please work out and see. We will post the explanation with the answer soon with the next video. In a certain code, word ACEG is written as 16 and DFGH is written as 25. Then how can be written HIKM? The answer is option B, 41. Next question. If 1 square 2 plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square, 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square, 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square, then 6 square plus 7 square plus 42 square is equal to, the answer is option C, 43 square. Next question. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 20,160 in 5 years at 8% interest. Find the principal amount. The answer is option D, rupees 14,400. Next question. How many prime number lies between 1 to 100? Answer is option B, 25. Next question. The value of cube root of 0.015625 is? Answer is option C, 0.5. Next question. Median of 12, 17, 5, 8, 13, 6, 9 is? Answer is option B, 9. Next question. Range and range coefficient of data -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are respectively. Answer is option D, 6 and infinity. Next question. Find the unknown number. Answer is option B, 12. Next question. The diameter of a circle is 10 cm. P is the point lying outside the circle. From that point P, two tangents are drawn to the circle. The length of each tangent is 12 cm. What is the distance between P and the center of the circle? Answer is option B, 13 cm. Next question. Raju starts walking towards south. After walking 20 meters, he turns towards north and walks 8 meters. Again he turns towards east and walks 5 meters. How far and in which direction is he from his starting point? Answer is option D, 13 meters southeast direction. Next question. The sides of 14 squares are 11 cm, 12 cm, 13 cm to 24 cm. Then find the total area of 14 squares. Answer is option B, 4515 cm square. Next question. A train travelled a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train had been 7 km per hour faster, it would have taken 14 hours less than the scheduled time. If the train was slower by 3 km per hour, then it would have taken 10 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Answer is option D, 900 km. Please work out each sum. We will give the explanation with the answer in the next video. Next question. Find the average of first n natural numbers. Answer is option C, n plus 1 by 2. Next question. A gardener wanted to reward a girl for her good deeds by giving some apples. He gave 2 apples on the first day, 4 on the second day, 8 on the third day, 16 apples on the fourth day, and so on for 10 days. How many apples did she get from the gardener at the end of the 10th day? Answer is option D, 2046. Next question. Using the clay, Muller makes a cone, a hemisphere and a cylinder have equal bases and the heights of the cone and the cylinder are equal. They same as the common radius. They share the same as the common radius. Then find the ratio of their respective volumes. Answer is option A, 1:2:3. Next question. Spherical metal balls of radius 6 cm is melted and casted into small spherical balls having diameter 6 mm. How many small balls can be casted? Answer is option A, 8,000. Next question. The radii of two circular ends of an frustum-shaped bucket are 15 cm and 8 cm. If its depth is 63 cm, find the capacity of the bucket in liters. Answer is option B, 26.994 liters. Next question. The present age of A and B are in the ratio 4:5 and after 5 years they will be in the ratio 5:6. Then their sum of the present age is. Answer is option B, 45 years. Next question. If A and B can do a work in 6 days, B and C can do a work in 12 days, C and A can do it in 4 days. How many days it would take to finish the same work by all the 3 together? Answer is option B, 4 days. Next question. A and B can complete a work individually in 12 days and 18 days. They started doing the work together, but after 4 days, A had to leave and B alone completed the remaining work. The whole work was completed in. Answer is option C, 12 days. Next question. A function f is -7, 6 is equal to r is defined as the following statement. And what is the value of 4f of -3 minus 2f of f4 bracket of 4 divided by f of bracket of -6 close bracket minus 4f of open bracket 1 2 close bracket. Then the answer is option C, 2. Next question. Mala and Lata each had a number of bangles. Mala said to Lata, if you give me 4 of your bangles, my number will be thrice yours. Lata replied, if you give me 36, my number will be thrice yours. What is the total bangle together with them? Answer is option B, 80. Next question. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answers using the code given below. List 1 is planets, list 2 is revolution period. List 1 planets Mars, Earth, Mercury, Venus. Revolutionary period 88 days, 225 days, 687 days, 365 days. Let's see the answer. First one, Mars. Its revolutionary period is 687 days. Next one, Earth. Its revolution period is 365 days. Next, Mercury. Its revolution period is 88 days. Next, Venus. Its revolutionary period is 225 days. So the answer here is option B. Next question. The term seismic gap refers to. Answer is option A, a region. Next question. Identify the irrigation canals which originate from the Hariki Barrage in Ferozpur district of Punjab? Answer is option B, Indira Gandhi Canal. Next question. Assertion. Extratropical cyclones are formed in mid-latitudes. Reasoning. The warm and cold fronts converge in mid-latitudes. Answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. The Jog Falls is located on the river. Answer is option A, Saravati. Next question. Who won the IAAF Best Female Athletic of the Year award in 2016? Answer is option B, Almaz Ayana. Next question. Match the field with Nobel Prize winners 2016 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Field and Nobel Prize winners. Peace, Medicine, Physics, Chemistry and Nobel Prize winners are Jean-Pierre Sauvage, Francis Stoddard, Bernard L. Feringa, Yoshinari Omashi, Juan Manuel Santos, David Towles, Duncan M. Haldani, Michael S. Tirelitz. Let's see the answer. For peace, the Nobel Prize winner is Juan Manuel Santos. Next one, for medicine, the Nobel Prize winner is Yoshinori Hoshimi. Next, for the physics, the Nobel Prize winner is David Towles, Duncan M. Haldani, Michael S. Tirelitz. Last one, for chemistry, the Nobel Prize winners are Jean-Pierre Sauvage, Francis Stoddard, Bernard L. Feringa. So, the answer is option C. Next question. Who was selected as the president of FICCI for 2017? Answer is option A, Pankaj R. Patel. Next question. The 7th World Ayurveda Congress was held at. Answer is option C, Kolkata. Next question. The author of the book Tamil Nadu, the land of Vedas is. Answer is option A, R. Nagaswamy. Next question. Who was appointed as the chairman of CBDT, that is Central Board of Direct Taxes in 2016 is. Answer is option A, Sushil Chandra. Next question. The longest cycle highway in India is located in. Answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. INS Karna was commissioned in Indian Navy on July 12, 2016 at. Answer is option C, Visakhapatnam. Next question. Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle Trustum 2 was designed and developed by. The answer is option A, DRDO. Next question. Who took over as the chief of the IAF on December 31st, 2016? Answer is option C, B.S. Danoya. Question. Which one of the following states is not going for assembly polls in February 2017? Answer is option A, Haryana. Question. 8th BRICS Summit was held in. 8th BRICS Summit was held in. Answer is option D, Goa. Question. Kiran Bath, the winner of 2017 Oscar Technical Achievement Award, belongs to which place in India? Answer is option C, Coimbatore. Next question. Professor C.V. Vishveshwara, who died in January 2017, was a specialist in? Answer is option C, black holes. Next question. The Digital Financial Literacy Project was launched on December 1, 2016 by the? Answer is option A, Union Human Resource Development Ministry. Next question. The Prime Minister laid the foundation stone for the new AIIMS AIIMS in July 2016 at? Answer is option A, Gorakhpur. Next question. Which badminton title was won by PV Sindhu in November 2016? Answer is option A, China Open Super Series. Next question. Who became the first Indian American USA Senator? Answer is option C, Kamala Harris. Next question. The book An Era of Darkness, The British Empire in India, released in 2016, is written by? Answer is option B, Shashi Tharoor. Question. The book 1991, How P.V. Narasimha Rao Made History, released in 2016, was written by? Answer is option A, Sanjaya Baru. Question. Which country does the present UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres belong to? Answer is option B, Portugal. Next question. The first digital village, Akodara, in India is in the state of? Answer is option A, Gujarat. Thank you friends.